Hello, I'm back with another planner video, and this one is a little different, like I promised, and no following just as the same that we were doing almost every week. This one is about my house management planner. I have showed this for so many years, different times, but I decided today I wanna do an update in one of my areas. When I have holidays, as you see, I have some marks here and I have fall here. I did this many years ago. What I do is I put my decoration. This one is fall and Thanksgiving, but I think that Thanksgiving I will be creating slowly a different area. This is what I have from the beginning. It was some movies that I wanted to see, some food to do, what to do in the house, what cleaning, my decoration in that time, some of the items that I have, so when I am doing the decoration I can remember. And this was my last update, that was from 2023, was the turkey and everything. Today I decided to add a new page for my fall decoration, because a lot of things are changing and I am adding, or you know, it happened always, something change. And I am using pictures that I took the last year and this year. Like I did a decoration about where I have a swing now and I have my tree. I also have to remember to celebrate birthdays and stuff like that, what books I'm using, things like I want to add. So we have a new paper here and we'll try to just follow this format. So I still have this for decoration. I can add these and I can put what else I have to add, because in the swing I put some fake flowers that are like looks like a climbing plant is losing the color and everything, and I love that. So that will be to explain what I need there. After that we have also garden part. So how I help myself on that part, I have a book here by your Bounty. And that one shows me what to do by month. And like you can see, I have separate here for fall and also for month by month. This will be preparing for, fall planting notes, what to do every month, September, October, and November. So I can put just a few notes of these. This is the book. And the other thing is like you begin all the preserving, so I have to remember that and get ready for preserving. That means what I need for my preserving. Let's do a slow decoration in this part. I will put all that I need to remember extra for this decoration. I also want to add this, that is one of my dogs, well, my dog Frosty has a birthday in this time. I was between adding this part or just create a separate one, like a birthday celebration for pets. So maybe I will do that. So let me write here about this part. Here we are. I put the title garden. I put the kind of decoration that I need to do. Rake leaves and use the mulch to the beds that had the veggies before. Add more lights and fall decor to the swing, tree and pergola. Keep dead branches out. Harvest all what is left. And then what I do with that is pickle banana peppers and stuff like that. I can can tomatoes, beets and others, and water can some jam or marmalades. Now I will add a little of the jobs that I have to do on fall, because this will be a lot of the gardening stuff. here we are. I put to remember what to do in September, October, November, and to prepare the ground with cardboard, papers, and mulch, and that will be part that I got here. Now, it's important that I remember where to get information for all these. So the next side, I will put books to read in case that I need. What books I need? I generally use my Backyard Bounty. This is special for the Northwest, Pacific Northwest. This is for my gardening. For my preserving, I have Preserving with Pomona Spectin and Blue Book of Preserving. They're really good. Then I have, if we are talking about parties, holidays, celebrations like I have them, these are the books that I've been using. The regular books are Betty Crocker Party Book, Better Homes and Gardens, Holiday Cookbook from Homes and Garden. Those are actually very vintage books. For religious celebrations and others, I have Living the Seasons, Cooking with the Saints. I got these new fall devotions and the Bible. And here I put the books that I need to read in this season, like for my garden, what kind of books I have, the preserving ones and the ones to take care of the garden. And it's not that it's all that I have. I just noticed that I was missing one, the home preserving. This is like the Bible of all the books for preserving. It has 400 delicious and creative recipes, and I was forgetting that. Anyway, it's not that all that I have for garden, because I have other books that are related to what plants I should put in every season, and that are also really good for this area. Holidays, I have all these that are my vintage holiday books. I love them, and I love how they're simple things. Some of them are homemade and makes your imagination and also your creativity come out to help. Religious celebrations, I love the Living Seasons and the Cooking with Saints. It has something to inspire me every time for every religious holiday. And Spiritual and Soul, of course, devotions for fall and the Holy Bible. So this is what we have. Just know that we have created a fall thing. We are adding more for what I have already, and that's what it will happen. This book management, I will need bigger this now. Every year grows a little more. The last year I only put one thing, that it was for Thanksgiving. I have the feeling that now I have to create a Thanksgiving page separate for this. Maybe I will need a complete new page for my decoration or for anything, or I will just move this, that is not so complicated, to stamp this and put just Thanksgiving there. I don't know if it makes sense. But that's how I am working this planner. If I will try to put a link to my house management, I'm sure that I will have to change things here. I have recipes, desserts, and I have done almost all of them. It's not something that, oh, I went to a book and I copy. Some of them are recipes that I got from friends. I want to show you something. I still have recipes that I need to pass to my book, because I write them while talking with my mom, my brothers, my sister-in-law, and now I want to move there. So that's the reason it goes growing. But sometimes it's looking for the time. Cleaners, this is a page that I wanted to have optional organic cleaning options to different things like drain, refrigerator, bathroom cleaning, carpet stains. My screen my spring and fall cleaning, and this works with this. So you put in this, is a clear sheet of I took that to here, acetate that I created many years ago. And all that I do is with a wet marker, the ones that you can erase, I just go doing my cleaning and I go marking what is done. And the same, because I have for every area of the house, I do on the paint, on the drawers ones, if I want to do it that way. So I have two ways to do it. Just sometimes go marking there that way, others is just writing. This was my way because I love to draw. That was one of my things. I was going to do the living room garden, but like I say, every time I add slowly a little more, and I have by days too, but I think this one will be going out. It's one of the ones that I don't use anymore. This was another one that I was trying to create, organize it. See, I have the bathroom here, and then I have the bathroom here. And then this was this is one that you can always copy. Shopping list, what to do, and the holidays and stuff like that. This not only had all my holidays, I also have like for Christmas if I need to send cards or something. I have also some decorations for other situations that I didn't finish filling. I'm still working on that. I have my aquarium, what I do, what is my kind of fish that I usually put, what I use to cleaning projects. Projects is like this one was the garden, the backyard, the idea of making a pergola and area to sit. We are almost at the end of that project. We didn't do it this way, we changed that. This is the area that we have now. It's a little more big. We have here where we have all the plants that maybe we will change to. I need to do the stepping stone and the kind of floor that we were planning. And what else we are trying to get. I got pots like that. So it has like, this was for my bedroom, and more and more. So that is my, in really quick, my house management. And like I said, this will keep growing. This is using the regular ring, but in some point I think actually I'm getting close to use the bigger ring. And that is what we did for today. I hope it was something fun to do and can inspire you to have a house management or to keep some pages in your planner that will help you to organize your holidays, your seasons in this way. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.